of darkness, and the teams are assembled, and we're ready for some baseball. Let's see, are you ready for some baseball?
Yeah! Woo!
Then play ball! And then it goes into the song, and it kind of sounds like this, hopefully. Well, the lights came on, it's another game day. I grabbed my bat, hit it for the plate. And the first pitch was a curve, and I was done. Strike one! Stepped out of the box, looked the pitcher in the eye. I could see it, read his lips. He said, "Punk, you're mine." So I gave him a wink, said, "Let's see what you can do." Strike two! Gotta keep my eyes on the ball, swing straight and true and follow through. Don't be afraid, whatever the call. We're never alone. Our coach is here to cheer us on. There's a wind-up, here comes that ball. Gotta pray and swing and watch it go till it's going. It's gone. Whoa, 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 a home run. Well, life can be like a baseball game. We're all on the team, but we're not all the same. That's why we got to learn to play together. I didn't join this team to sit on the bench. I'm grabbing my bat, swinging for the fence. Cause we got some people on base we gotta get on. Keep our eye on the ball, swing straight and true and follow. Don't be afraid, whatever the call. Never alone. Our coach is there to cheer us on. Here's the wind-up, here comes that ball. Gotta pray and swing and watch it go. It's going, it's going. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We need a home run. We are not the first to play this game or to stand over the plate. We are surrounded by a legacy. I can see them in the stands. I can see them waving their hands, saying go, go all the way. And when you keep your eye on the ball, and you keep your eye on the prize, and when you keep your eyes on Jesus, it'll sound something like this. There's a long fly ball heading deep back into center field. It's way back, it's way back. That baby's out of here. And the fans will sing, whoa, whoa, whoa.